If I could see your entire day, I can guarantee you're wasting most of it, not because you're lazy, but because you don't even realize where your time is going. You wake up, you check your phone for just 5 minutes, and suddenly it's been 30. You start your day late, then you say, I'll study in the evening. Evening comes. You feel tired, so you scroll again. And at night, you promise yourself, tomorrow I'll fix everything, but tomorrow looks exactly the same. You're not wasting your day in big ways. You're wasting it in small leaks, 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there. One scroll, one video, one distraction, and by the end of the day, 80% of your time is gone. The problem is not time. You have enough time. The problem is you don't see your time, and anything you don't see, you can't control. So how do you fix it? Not by becoming super disciplined overnight, but by becoming aware. Step 1. Track your day. For just one day, notice everything. How much you scroll, how much you delay, how much you actually work. Don't judge it, just observe. This alone will shock you. Step 2. Choose only 3 important tasks. Don't make a huge to-do list. It doesn't work. Just pick 3 things that actually matter today and tell yourself, if I do only these 3, the day is successful. Step 3. Kill your biggest distraction. You already know what it is. Your phone, reels, random scrolling. You don't need motivation. You need distance. Keep your phone away while working because willpower might be weak, but environment is strong. You don't need more time. You need more awareness. Right now, your days are not controlled by you. They are controlled by your habits, but the moment you become aware, you take control back. I know you'll do it because you're a pookie.